going to be doing killer noodle ramen from bestramenla.com. So we're going to start by boiling 2 pots of water. Easy. In one pot we're going to boil the noodles for 2 minutes, and we are going to warm the bag of soup that we have here. You get a packet and it comes with all the ingredients. You get noodles, you get the soup, you get the pork, onions and mushrooms, chili oil, and sancho. You start by putting your soup into the water to warm it up while your noodles are boiling in the next pot. Alright, and now we're going to drain our noodles now that they're done. Strain, drain, down the drain. Alright. Nice shape. Alright, now that our soup is nice and boiled and warm, we're going to take it over to our bowl. Nice and hot. So now, we're going to add all of our ingredients. We have our pork. All in one. Beautiful. So now, we're just going to add our noodles into our soup. Look at that nice, full, beautiful bowl. Now check this out. That's what I'm talking about. All right, now go to bestramenla.com and type in the promo code MARKF10 to get your $1 off. Come see us soon.